Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm gonna talk about how to turn on location for your photos on iPhone. So let's get started. So first of all, just go over here, tap on the settings. Now from here you have to scroll down all the way down and navigate to the privacy and security. Tap on it. Now from here you have to tap on the location services and make sure the location is turned on. For me, I already did it, so you have to, that is why. So for the users, you have to turn on the location over here. And right now from here, over here, you can see this is some of the apps. So you have to scroll down like this and navigate to the camera. And over here, this might be set into dimmer. So that is the reason why you're having this. So what you need to do is you have to change this to us next time when I share. Or what I'm trying is you can go for while using the app. And also make sure that you turn on the precise location so that it will be exact as the word indicated. It will be much precise whenever you next time capture something. So what you need to do is once afterwards, this is what you have to do. And if you try to capture something, you can see all kind of things over there. And this is how we can do it. And I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.